unlocking the mystery of "Say Sike" right now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you might have come across on social media or in casual conversations. Say "Sike" right now. This expression is a great example of how language evolves and incorporates elements of humor and internet culture. So, if you're ready to add a fun and contemporary phrase to your English vocabulary, let's get started. The phrase, "Say Sike right now," is used in a context where someone has just heard something unbelievable or shocking and wishes, or rather hopes, that the speaker is joking. The word, "Sike," is a slang term that means, "I am just kidding," or "just joking." It's a way of expressing disbelief and asking the speaker to confirm that they were not serious. This expression captures a mix of emotions, from disbelief to a desire for the statement to be a joke. The origins of "Say Sike right now" can be traced back to internet memes and social media platforms. It gained popularity as a meme format and phrase in online conversations, especially on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Instagram. The phrase is often used in a humorous context, reflecting the playful and dynamic nature of internet language. It's a great example of how expressions can gain traction rapidly in the digital age and become part of everyday language, especially among younger generations. Using "Say Sike" right now in conversations requires understanding the tone and context. It's primarily used in informal settings among friends or on social media. Here are a few examples. After hearing an unbelievable story, "You won the lottery? Say Sike right now." In response to a surprising statement, "We have a test tomorrow? Say Sike right now." Remember, the phrase is light-hearted and should be used in situations where humor is appropriate. It's not suitable for formal contexts or when discussing serious matters. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the playful side of English with the phrase, "Say Sike right now." It's a perfect example of how language is not just a tool for communication but also a reflection of culture and changing times. By understanding and using such expressions, you can make your conversations more vibrant and connect with a wider audience. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.